Welcome to group mission training. My name is Matt. Please wait until the entire group has joined. The host will click on the blue cube to start your experience.
As he said, this is Matt, and I will be going through the experience while being helped and guided by my virtual agent, Matt. He is able to follow me as I move around. You can see his gaze is tracking me, and as I move from one room to another, he will move with me, going from one space to another. He will do his best to keep up with me, and will go from room to room. And with that, let's begin.
Collaborate with your group to locate and destroy the biohazard. You have 45 minutes. If you need any assistance, please ask me.
Now, Matt here is context sensitive, so he knows about events that I'm looking at or what is around me, so I can ask him vague questions as long as I have a focus in mind. So, for example, I can ask him something like this. What is this called?
That is called the cargo container.
What is this used for?
The cargo container holds an object within it that will be useful in your completion of the tasks. You will need to discover a way to open it.
Okay.
Alert! Don't touch the cargo latch.
Kilo, November, Yankee. What is that?
That is a scroll.
Hmm. What is this?
This is the number wheel.
How do I use that?
You can manipulate the values on the number wheel by using the up or down arrows near each wheel to change the value. The value to be submitted is what is framed in blue.
What was that noise?
The door to the yellow room and torch pedestal opened, causing the noise you heard.
What is this?
That is the hot biohazard.
Hmm.
Alert! For a safe destruction, you must attach the biohazard onto the correct target. Incorrect target and biohazard pairing will result in automatic failure in the mission certification mode. Alert! You must stay behind the caution line to fire a lit arrow. Congratulations, your team has completed the mission. Now, make sure you are ready for individual certification. Please return back to the main room and view all the discoveries, rules and completed steps. Take this time to discuss as a group. Once you are done discussing, use the cube again to bring up the survey and your performance notes. Alert! Do not put the crossbow into the fire bucket.
So here you can see all of my listed discoveries, all the ones that I found, as ones I didn't, as I've completed the task. Matt is aware of this and has informed me of all of these rules, and now, when I complete the simulation, I'm able to go through these quizzes. As I did not work with a team, I'm probably going to disagree with most of these, but there we go. And here you can see how long I took, how much time was left on the timer, as well as how many of the discoveries I found going through the simulation.
The experiment is now complete. Please navigate back into the menu and proceed to individual certification.
All right. And that completes my recording on this process. Thank you. What is the patient's current condition?
The patient's condition is currently stable.
Where's the heart rate monitor?
The heartbeat monitoring device is here.
Hi there, and welcome to the Virtual Labs demo simulation, which is featuring our latest and greatest in avatar interactions. Here I have two experts with me. They will introduce themselves once the simulation begins with Matt and Sandra. Matt has contextual information about what objects are within the space and how to best utilize them, depending on what platform you're on. And Sandra has information on what tasks it is that I'll be accomplishing. I can address either of them at any point in time through the simulation by either speaking or typing with them. I will demonstrate both. I'm able to freely walk about my space within my environment as I do so. When I am moving, Sandra or Matt, whichever one is speaking, will be gazing at me, and the other will be looking at the other as they are speaking. So with that, let's begin.
Hello, my name is Matt and I am your virtual instructor. I will do my best to answer all your questions and assist whenever you want. Thanks, over to you, Sandra.
Hi there, I am Sandra. I am here to guide you through the virtual lab instance simulation step by step. If needed, you can also ask me to repeat my instructions again.
Thank you, Sandra. For example, at any time you can ask, how do I grab, how do I snap an object, or what questions can you answer? You can also ask for detailed instructions if you get stuck. Okay, Sandra, back to you.
Please wear safety glasses.
Can you repeat that?
Please wear safety glasses. Place the specimen into the hole punch. Grab the hammer and strike the top of the hole punch.
I need help.
To strike the hole punch with the hammer, move the mouse cursor onto the hammer and press E, then move the mouse cursor onto the top of the hole punch and left click to strike it.
What is this used for?
The hole punch is used to mark the specimen. We then measure the marks on the specimen and the distance between them. This way, after the specimen has been stretched, you can measure it again to get the measure of the change.
Remove the specimen from the hole punch, then measure its dimensions by touching it to the caliper.
What is the caliper used for? Oops, sorry. What is the caliper used
To
for?
measure the specimen's dimension, first, a caliper is used to measure objects. In this simulation you use it to get the diameter both before and after the specimen has undergone tensile strain.
Place the specimen on the table and grab the highlighted holder and attach it to one end of the specimen.
Alright.
Now grab the other marked holder and attach it to the other end of the specimen. Press the Stop Test button on the control panel. Use the jog control on the control panel to bring the top grip down. Slide the specimen into the grips. Place the extensometer on the specimen. Press the Start Test button on the control panel. Click on the mouse to start the Blue Hill software. Click on the mouse again to put the specimen in tension. Remove the extensometer from the specimen and set it aside. Use the keyboard to restart the crosshead motion until failure. Warning: this is going to be loud. Remove the broken specimen pieces from the grips. Then place them on the table. Remove the holders from the broken specimen as well. Insert the highlighted broken specimen pieces into the left side of the holder. Insert the other broken specimen piece into the right side of the holder. Insert the other broken specimen piece into the right side of the holder. Use the caliper to measure the broken pieces. Congratulations, you have completed the steps of this simulation.
Okay, with this you can see the feedback of the simulation that you have accomplished, whether how much time it is to do each step or anything else that was determined by the author of the simulation. With that, I thank you and have a wonderful day. Show me the muscles. Show the nervous system. Show the blood vessels. Show the muscles.